Hey there, thank you so much for watching EduSmart. I'm back with another video on courses absolutely for free. These are online courses and being offered by IBM in collaboration with IBM. You're going to get a lot of badges that you can showcase on your profile, on your resume. Now let's get started. Let me take you onto my browser. So I make these videos on free courses, certifications, scholarships, placement training, internships, etc. If you are looking into this data, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon whenever you subscribe. Now open your browser and search for cognitive classes. You can see this cognitive classes. Just search for this. It will take you onto a site. You can see this cognitiveclass.ai. Click on this site. Now this is the site I have been talking about. Now you can get a lot of courses that is required for your like say Python, Java, data science, machine learning or etc. You can learn all these courses absolutely for free and being offered by the IBM. So you're going to get a badge from IBM when you complete this course. Now let us see the badges available. So these are the various badges being offered by the IBM. You can see IBM blockchain, IBM data pipelines, deep learning, IBM essentials. These were all being offered by the IBM. You can see deep learning, machine learning, data analysis with Python, data science, data visualization, etc. Even the cloud was being offered by this. So there are a lot of courses that you must check it out. And I will show you a demo of one course that you can apply for this. So you can get it on this. Introduction to Machine Learning, Applied Data Science, and all. You can see this machine learning with Python, robots, etc. These are you can see out. I think it's really visible. IBM, right? You can see check it out here. IBM everywhere. These are being offered in collaboration with IBM. Now, once you complete this course, you are going to get a certificate, and once you complete the certificate, you will get a badge. Now this is let me show you a demo Python for data science. Let me take you on to this. So if you are the first if you have come here for the first time, click on sign up. Let me try to sign up for this. So this is about the data science for Python. This is absolutely for beginners. You will earn a badge from IBM. You can check it. You can see here, right? That's really visible over there, and it's being offered by IBM, right? So that makes this course really interesting. It asks me to create an account. You can use your these accounts directly. You can let me try with my Google account. So you need to give a small assessment at the end of this. Say they will be giving you modules like 5 6 modules for each course you took up. So once you complete the modules and you will get this course for free. That means you will get the certificate at the end. You can check it out or you can get this course. You can complete this course as and when you like. These are online courses, right? So if you are interested to get it today, you can get it. If you wanted to get it tomorrow, you can get it like that. Uh, this is about my details. Create account. Oh, sorry, I didn't click this. So you should agree to the terms and conditions. Once you agree to them, click on create account. This will ensure you an account with cognitive classes. Uh, yeah, that's sure. You are not enrolled in any courses yet. Explore courses. It's asking me to enroll courses, right? Let us click on explore courses. Now you can find this a course. You just let me take you onto this beginner Python for data science. These are all being offered by you can see IBM everywhere. Let me check it this course. So this it is say that start the free course. Click on the start free course. You need to read the modules. It's upon you. Like you can complete this course just in 1 minute or like 10 minutes or something like that. You just need to give the assessment. If you complete the assessment and you give the test successfully, this certificate is yours. So you should, if you are already good at Python, you can complete this and you can get the certificate. Not just Python, there are a lot of other courses that you are really interested in. If you wanted to, you should check it out. This, if you are keen into getting into data science, it's really helpful, right? Let me click on this view course. So you can see this started anytime self-paced. I can complete this as and when I like. There is no like restrictions, and it is being powered by IBM Skills Network. So the IBM Skills Network, if you don't know anything about this, it will provide you a certification that ensures that makes that like it acts as a proof that you are good at this and all. So they are providing this in collaboration with IBM, and you can get these badges and showcase on your resumes. Now this is about this course module 1. Let me take on to this. I'm not going to check. I'm going to go for the module 1 directly. Once you complete this, it's not necessary to read and write and all do these things. If you are really good at this, you can directly move on to the review questions and complete these questions. If you complete the question successfully for all the modules, you will earn your own certificate. Let me give a try. I'm going to show you the environment over here so that you can get in practice with this. Let me check on that. There were about simple questions. There is an also a facility to check your answer and then save your answer. You need not save your answer directly. You can get it. You can also enroll for multiple courses and complete as you like. So what is the result of the following operation in Python? 3 plus 2 into 2. So they're asking for the results. You know that 2 twice 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, right? Let me check this 7. You have used 0 of 2 attempts. Oh god, they only gave you 2 attempts, so you need to click on submit button. Let us check whether it is right or wrong. Yes, this answer is right. You have just 1 of 2 attempts, so after 2 attempts you are going to lose this, right? Okay, so if you wanted to know the answers for this Python for data science, please let me know in the comment section below so that I will make more answers for you. If not, we cannot make this. The next question is, what would be the out of this print name? They are slicing this from 0 to from the beginning inclusive, right? And the 2 is not inclusive in Python. So we will 0 and 1 will be included in this, right? Li should be the result. Let me check this whether is this right or wrong. You have used 0 attempts. Now let me check. So if you wanted the answers for this correctly, ask me in the comment section below. If I get only 1 or 2 comments, I'm not going to help you. I need more answers, like more comments asking me for this, so that I will consider and make video for answers. Like I will make answers for this assessment, and you can directly put it and get your certificate if you are interested. If not, you can read out the assignment and you can complete this assignment because it's really easy. So you have correct answers. It's right. 1.1, 1 by 1. I've used only 1 attempt. You can use this and that's it. This is again a slice operator. This is already available over there. This is the first one in start end. By the way, this is a step index. So you are going to step from here. So that is all about this. You can check it out, all the assessment for all the modules. This is how you are going to complete and get your certificate. And you can go previous and next. It is not necessary to read the modules. If you are already good at this Python, just go and do your exercise and get your certificate. It will really add you on, help you on resume. Also hit the like button if you like this video, because it makes me ensure that I am doing correct for the right audience, and I will make more videos. If not, I may not make such videos and bring you such videos. At the end, if you complete this, you will definitely get your course. Like you can also check out your progress here. You will be able to download your certificate. So that's all about this video. I will be back with another video. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you so much, and please do share this video with your friends, and always watch the video till the end. Thank you so much.